Welcome back to day 72. Where's my shot glass? Hold on. Shot glass. But first, rock. Oh, you can see the glitter on this one. Nice. This is, of course, granite. And if you've never picked up a piece of granite and taken it home, you don't like rocks. And that's fine, but you're not a rock person. Let's get number 6. ABUS. Yep, got nothing interesting to say about this ABUS, except I think that this brass shackle has warped a little bit. I don't know if it's showing up, but anyway. What do you think, a McTickler? Think that'll do it? I think that'll do it. Oh, this is the lock that I got my orange belt with. Maybe you don't like a McTickler. Maybe you like a dual peak rig. Can't remember what I used to pick you. I haven't picked you in a while. I hear you ringing. Also hear the sirens. Oh, you little fugly bastard. Well, you're proving quite the... I know you're easy. There it is. Just had to find the right combo. And just to prove the key works, shackle pop.